Thanks for joining us today. This video will cover two main topics. First, information regarding food insecurity, and second, how to use the feedut.org website. Food insecurity is when people don't have enough to eat or don't know where their next meal will come from. Food insecurity may be brief or it may last a long time, and it can be influenced by many things like income, employment, race, and disability. People in every community experience food insecurity, regardless of their social class. In the United States, 44 million people experience food insecurity. At some point during your life, there is a high chance that you will also experience food insecurity. To help Utahns overcome food insecurity, Salt Lake County Health Department and its partners created a website called feedut.org. Feedut.org helps people find local food pantries and places that serve prepared meals, as well as provides links to other necessary resources. So let's show you how to use feedut.org. From a web browser on a computer or mobile device, type feedut.org into the URL or search bar. On the home screen, you will see 7 buttons. Each button has an important purpose. Starting at the top, the first button says Version en Español. If your preferred language is Spanish, simply click on the button and the website will convert to Spanish. If you clicked on this button by mistake, no worries. Simply click the button on the screen that says English version and it will bring you back to the English website. Currently, the website is only available in English and Spanish. The second button you see is labeled Food Pantries. Clicking this button will help you find the food pantry closest to your home, work, or church. You can search for a food pantry by using your current location or an address. If you search by using your current location, the website will detect where you are and display a list of food pantries closest to you. The food pantries that are closest to your location will be displayed first. Each pantry listing includes the name of the pantry, the address, the distance from your current location, a phone number, who can utilize the pantry, what you need to do, the hours they are open, and if they are currently open or closed. At the bottom of each food pantry listing, there are 3 yellow buttons labeled Driving, Public Transit, and Walking. Click on your mode of transportation under the pantry of your choice, and the website will show a Google map with step-by-step instructions of how to get to the food pantry. Because information can change frequently, before traveling to any food pantries, we recommend you call to confirm the information listed. Throughout the website, you will see red buttons that say Main Menu or Go Back to the Beginning. If you get lost on the website or want to get back to the main menu at any time, use these buttons to navigate back to the main page. The third button you will see on the main menu is Ready to Eat Meals. Clicking this button will help you find the location closest to your home, work, or church that has meals already prepared for individuals. Like with food pantries, you can search for a location by using your current location or an address. If you search by using your current location, the website will detect where you are and display a list of locations closest to you. Again, the locations closest to you will be displayed first. Each listing provides the name of the location, the address, the distance from your current location, a phone number, who is eligible, what you need to do, the hours they are open, and if they are currently open or closed. Keep in mind, most locations limit meals to certain age groups or at-risk populations, so it's important to verify you meet the requirements before showing up for a meal or you might be turned away. At the bottom of each meal location, there are 3 yellow buttons for how you would like to get to the location. Click on Driving, Public Transit, or Walking under the location of your choice, and the website will show a Google map with step-by-step instructions of how to get to the meal location. The fourth button you will see on the main menu is Ready to Eat Meals for Seniors. Clicking this button will help older adults find the closest location to their work, home, or church that serves meals already prepared. Older adults, or those helping a loved one, can search for a location by using their current location or an address. This search works like the others, but again, is specifically for people of a certain age, so be sure you qualify before you visit. The fifth button on the main menu is Food Stamps SNAP. SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Clicking this button will help you find the benefits office closest to your home, work, or church. Staff at the benefits office can help determine your eligibility for assistance, sign you up for food programs, and help you access other resources for food support. Again, this search works like the others by using your current location or an address. The benefit offices that are closest to you will be displayed first. Each location provides the name of the office, the address, the distance from your current location, a phone number, who can come, what you need to do, hours they are open, and if they are currently open or closed. The blue button labeled List of Farmers Markets Accepting SNAP is the 6th button on the main menu. This button takes you to a new website called Utahns Against Hunger. If you scroll about halfway down the page, you will see an orange button that says See a List of Markets. Click on this button and a new website tab will open showing a list of farmers market locations in Utah that participate in the Double Up Food Bucks program. The list includes the county the farmers market is in, the name of the market's address, and the days and hours the market is open. Double Up Food Bucks is a program for people who have a SNAP EBT Horizon card to get healthy foods from a participating farmers market. Before they shop, they visit the farmers market information booth and tell the attendant how much money they want to spend. The attendant will swipe their SNAP EBT Horizon card for the requested amount, and the Horizon card holder will receive wooden tokens worth double the amount of money. Horizon card holders can use these wooden tokens to purchase food from the vendors at the market. You can use Double Up Food Bucks on things like fruits, veggies, herbs, meat, and fish. You cannot use Double Up Food Bucks on things like beer, tobacco, pet foods, and soaps. Anyone caught misusing their SNAP EBT Horizon card benefits could face legal penalties. The 7th and final button you will see on the main menu says 211. This button takes you to a separate website called Utah 211. On the Utah 211 main page, you can search for things you may need help with, such as transportation, mental health, employment, dental care, and more. To learn more about the programs and services at Utah 211, please visit their website or contact them directly. Congratulations! You are now a feedut.org expert. You now know what food insecurity is and can navigate the feedut.org website to find helpful resources. Let's do a quick review. Food insecurity is when people don't have enough to eat or don't know where their next meal will come from. This could happen for many reasons and could affect anyone, including you. Salt Lake County Health Department and its partners created feedut.org to help people find local food pantries and places that serve prepared meals. It also provides links to other useful community resources. Thanks for watching.